Girls sexually miss guys who do this. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of female desire and learn how to make her miss you sexually? Well, look no further. Welcome to the tantalizing theatre of desire, where I'll be revealing 15 captivating ways to make a girl miss you sexually. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on this heart-pounding spectacle, unveiling the secrets that can leave her yearning for more. Are you ready to witness the drama, the intrigue, the irresistible allure of these game-changing strategies? Let's get going. Tease her. Spark the fire of desire. All right, let's talk about teasing. Now, teasing isn't just for schoolyards, it's a potent tool in the game of attraction. You see, teasing creates tension, and tension can be incredibly exciting. Drop hints about your plans for your next date or whisper something suggestive in her ear before parting ways. The idea is to leave her guessing, anticipating. This anticipation keeps you on her mind, creating a longing that goes beyond just missing your presence. It's about missing your touch and your intimacy. So go on, keep her on her toes, and she'll be yearning for more in no time. Understand her pleasure. Be an unforgettable lover. Listen up, this one's major. Being an unforgettable lover goes beyond mastering techniques. It's about understanding her needs, her desires, her body. Ask her what she wants, what makes her feel good. Trust me, she'll appreciate your effort to please her. And guess what? Studies show that women are more satisfied when their partners are responsive to their needs. So be the man who makes her feel understood in and out of the bedroom. And when she thinks of pleasure, she will think of you. Seductive Sense, leaving a trace of you. Scent is like your personal calling card. Ever caught a whiff of a cologne and had a flood of memories rush back? That's what we're aiming for here. Experts agree, scent is strongly linked to memory and emotion. So invest in a good quality cologne, one that matches your style. That way, even when you are not there, that lingering smell on her pillow or the whiff of your cologne on her scarf will transport her back to your shared intimate moments. And just like that, she's missing you and craving your presence. Not bad for a bottle of fancy smelling water, right? Keep mystery alive, the allure of unpredictability. Alright, for this next trick, we're delving into the mystery box. You see, predictability keeps things exciting, just like that suspenseful movie that keeps you on the edge of your seat. Being a tad unpredictable can stir her curiosity and make her crave more. But remember guys, we're talking about cute surprises and changing up your routine, not flaking on dates. So switch up the date venues, surprise her with an unexpected call, and keep her guessing with what's coming next. Memorable experiences, dates she can't forget. It's time to plan those unforgettable dates. And no, you don't need a private jet or a 7-course meal at a Michelin-star restaurant. You can have a picnic at a beautiful park or even cook dinner together at home. By creating these unique experiences, you'll give her something to fantasize about when you are not around. And here's a little secret. When her heart races from the excitement of these activities, her brain might just associate it with you, thereby increasing her sexual desire. Science does agree. According to a study from the University of British Columbia, adrenaline spikes can actually boost attraction. Master the art of touch, sensual connection beyond presence. The next secret is the art of touch. And I don't just mean getting handsy on a Saturday night. It's about a gentle brush of your hand, the warm, comforting hug, or that playful nudge. The right touch at the right time can create an intimate bond and trigger a sensual response. Psychologists say that touch can stimulate the release of oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. So let her associate that feel-good hormone with you, and she'll miss your touch even when you are not around. Passionate goodbyes. Leave her wanting more. Don't you just hate goodbyes? Well, they don't always have to be a downer. It's about the way that you look at her, the softness in your voice, the promise that you'll see each other soon. Make her feel cherished and desired. You know what they say about absence making the heart grow fonder, right? Well, a passionate goodbye makes the heart and other parts grow fonder a heck of a lot quicker. So give her a reason to miss you guys. Leave things behind, subtle reminders of you. Ever found a forgotten item that instantly reminded you of someone? Leaving something behind can be a powerful way to keep you on her mind. Maybe it's your hoodie that smells like your favorite cologne, or a book that you mentioned on the date. These things can serve as reminders of your presence, your scent, your touch, and just like that, she'll be missing you in no time. Kind gestures create warm memories. Never underestimate the power of kindness. Small gestures can make a significant impact. Make her a breakfast, give her a spontaneous foot massage, and listen to her after a tough day. These actions show that you care and that you are there for her, both physically and emotionally. These warm memories you create will make her feel good, even when you're not around, in fact. Psychologists say that kindness can be a powerful aphrodisiac, so surprise her with your kind gestures and watch as she misses your presence, your warmth, and touch. Voice notes keep her thinking of you. Did you know that your voice can be a secret weapon in the dating game? Yeah, it's all about those voice notes. You might think that they are old school, but believe me, they work a charm. There's something incredibly intimate about hearing someone's voice. It's like they're whispering in your ear. So send a voice note talking about your day or maybe sharing a funny anecdote. The sound of your voice will keep her thinking of you, even craving your presence. Plus, hearing your voice can conjure up those memories of pillow talk and late night conversations, keeping the spark alive digitally. The power of compliments make her feel desired. Compliments, they're like chocolate. Everyone loves them and they can make a person's day, but here's the secret sauce. Make them personal and genuine. Compliment her smile, her laugh, the way her eyes light up when she talks about her passions. Show her that you're not just physically attracted to her, but you also adore her for who she is. A study from Purdue University found that compliments activate the same region in the brain as receiving money. So make her feel valued and she will associate that good feeling with you, enhancing her sexual desire towards you. The importance of aftercare. Make her crave your comfort. Aftercare isn't just for workouts, it's actually a key part of intimacy. The moments after you've been intimate are just as important as the build-up. So hold her, comfort her, show her affection. This kind of care can make her feel safe and cherished. Plus, it creates an association between you and the feelings of comfort, intimacy, and satisfaction. Experts even say that aftercare can strengthen the bond between partners and make future encounters even more anticipated. Now imagine that. She'll be missing you before you even leave the room. Surprise messages. Keep her anticipating. Now, you know what's a great way to keep her interested? Random surprise messages. No, not just a good morning text. I'm talking about something with a little more spice. Send her a cheeky message in the middle of the day or a flirty meme that made you think of her. But here's the secret sauce. Don't be predictable. Keep her on her toes. It's all about the thrill of not knowing when she might hear from you next. And let's be honest, isn't anticipation half the fun? Flirt over text. Keep the spark alive digitally. Now let's talk about flirting over text. In this digital age, knowing how to flirt over text is a must. So don't be shy to drop her a compliment, a flirty emoji, or a playful gif. Just remember, keep it light, keep it fun, and keep her guessing. The right message at the right time can reignite that spark, even when you are not physically together. So get creative with your messages. Make her laugh, make her blush, make her yearn for more. Keep the spark alive digitally, and she'll be missing your touch before you know it. The power of delayed gratification, building anticipation. Now, you've heard of the marshmallow experiment, right? Kids left alone with a marshmallow, told if they wait, they can have two. Well, it turns out waiting can be just as sweet in the world of dating. Build anticipation. Don't give everything away all at once. Leave her guessing, leave her wanting more. Now, this tension, the anticipation, can heighten desire and make your eventual reunion all the more exciting. Yes, patience can be challenging, but as the saying goes, good things come to those who wait. So you've just discovered the ways to make a woman miss you sexually. Ready for more? Choose between deciphering her body language when she's into you or unmasking the secret signs of her sexual attraction. Intrigued? Click on your choice. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.